Good day, everyone. My name is Vanessa Muschetti from 2E16 Pitogo Cluster, and I am here to discuss 5 examples of learning activities under the cognitive domain, psychomotor domain, and affective domain. In cognitive domain, it focuses about mental skills, understanding, and also about the problem solving. So, the first example is that identify the main idea of a story. So, in these situations, we will recognize the identify as the main verb because the belongs here, it uses thinking to recognize the key points in that situation. Then the second is explain the steps of the water cycle. What is the verb in this example? The verb is explain because it shows understanding by putting ideas into simple words. Then, the third is two characters in a story. That means compare. Compare is the main verb because it requires analyzing and similarities with the differences. The fourth one is solve. A math problem about fractions. What is the main verb to this? It can be the solve because it uses reasoning to find the correct answer. Last one is the planets in the solar system. List the planets in the solar system. What is the main verb to this? It is the word list because it recalls our knowledge. Now, let's talk about the psychomotor domain. It is focused about body movements, coordination, and practical skills. So, my first example is write a short paragraph neatly. So, what is the main verb to this example? It could be the right, the word right, because it uses hand coordination and motor skills. The second one is draw a diagram of the human heart. What is the main verb? It is the draw because it requires control of hand and to create visual. The third one is perform a folk dance routine. The main verb to this sentence is perform because it uses whole body movement and rhythm. The fourth one is construct a simple paper model of a volcano. So, the verb is construct because hands-on activity using materials. Last one is about demonstrating. Demonstrate proper hand washing steps. The verb should be demonstrate because it shows skills through physical action. Affective domain, or the what we call feeling, values, or attitude, because it focuses on emotions, values, appreciation, and the motivation. Now, my first example is share your opinion about kindness in class. So, our verb to this sentence is share because it expresses feelings and values. The second one is appreciate a classmate's effort in a group work. The word appreciate is the main verb because it shows respect and positive attitude. The third one is participate. Participate actively in a group discussion. The verb should always be the participate because it shows willingness and interest. The fourth one is respect different cultural traditions during a presentation. The verb is respect because it demonstrates value for diversity. Last one, it express gratitude after a class activity. The main verb is express because it shows emotional response and attitude. So, that would be all, and thank you.